this electric lawnmower for $100 on Facebook, and it comes with 2 extra batteries. You guys can see right there. And actually the person that bought this, they only use it for they only use it for 2-3 times, and we're gonna figure out what's the reason why they didn't want it. Or maybe they just stuck with the old-fashioned gasoline. I do have a lawnmower, but my mower died because I got one of those gasoline and one of the pump that you press, because it's been in the storage for a long time. And what happened is it got corroded from the fuel. I guess there's a leak on there, and ever since it just died. And I replaced pretty much almost everything on that mower, and just have no luck with it. So from now on, I said, you know what? I'm most likely just gonna go ahead and you guys can see here, I pretty much have all electric products. So might as well go ahead and, you know, get me an electric lawnmower. So I think they start selling this at Amazon for, I'm not too sure. I've seen one for like $145 or $160. I think it comes with only 1 battery. This one right here particularly, it comes with 2 batteries. That's why it's still worth like $350 or something like that. But I know you probably get a better deal. I got this, like I said, I got this at Facebook, one of those local, and I got it for $100, and it comes with 2 batteries. See, this thing is still pretty new on it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. And you can see this all, I mean, it's still good condition. I'm just surprised how this people didn't want anymore, I guess. So they probably want something different, or maybe still want a fuel version of it. But I'm gonna go ahead and try it all out. Anyway guys, you guys can see this guy is just giving me more positive compared to this one. Like I said, this one right here, you gotta keep cranking it up, and you have to keep messing with the fuel. But now just over here, it's probably gonna go to the garbage. Just letting you guys know that. And this guy here is the winner. So in 2020, you must have a battery lawnmower. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what this lawnmower can do. We'll just cut all this easily. Look at that. And it's so lightweight, even though you're cutting it from the hill, so you can always go back. Look at it, it's just no pressure. You see? Look at it, it's like no pressure. And I can still go up in the hill. You know, this is fuel, you might have to use a power thing. This guy just do it. See? Starting it. That's a thick grass, and I'm able to cut. See what this thing can do. Look at it. For $100 bucks. And it's still cut. Okay, guys, you guys can see. I mean, yeah, it doesn't come with the light, but you can buy one of this. You can purchase this. This is actually my bike light. You can purchase this for really cheap. You can get this for like $10. Come with a rechargeable USB on it. But I'm gonna go ahead and recut the yard again, and you just see how quiet it is. I don't have the battery with me, so you can bring the battery with you, you know. And that's what I'm doing. It's so
No resistance, guys, if you use this mower. See the big difference? And it's pretty strong. And I'm just cutting all the way over here. Alright. And I'm going back this way. It's so light, even though you have it this way. Look, I can pull it with one hand. See my other hands with the battery? That's how light it is.
With you guys, it's really midnight and I'm cutting my yard. And you can see here, and it's already at, you know, I mean, I rode this thing to like wet area, and I'm surprised, you know. I'm surprised that electric lawnmower can do so good now. And of course, I want to show it to you how light it is. It's so lightweight that, you know, you can, I mean, it's totally worth it, especially carrying it around